I am Aqua with WTI.
Do you have hardwood floors and worry about your furniture scratching your floors? Do you also hate when your furniture moves when you sit on it? Well, these CasterMaster non-slip furniture pads are the answer. So they really solve two problems. You don't have to worry about your furniture scratching your floor anymore, and also you don't have to worry about every time you sit down, your couch or your sofa moves. Something just really annoying about that. So this is just a really awesome solution for both those problems. I got it for my couch because it is on hardwood floor and on carpet, and it can move just a little bit. But I love that these have that little grip on both sides of the disc, and it has a little lip, so it's not very hard to lift your furniture. Even I could do it, and I'm not that strong. Just a really innovative way to protect your floors and to prevent your couch or your sofa from moving. I even did a little test. I gave my full effort of trying to move these, and these are truly non-skid. Your furniture is not going to be coming off of these pads. I have it in the 3x3 round size and black, and it comes as a set of 4, but this also comes in many sizes and other color options as well. So if you want to protect your floors and have your furniture stop moving, definitely check these out.
And that's my point of view.